What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the guys. If you look behind me, we got all kinds of stuff. It's been a busy freaking week. Just gonna get into it. We got huge boxes from LMR and Handling Motorsports for Project Two-Tone. So we're gonna dive in, and as you can see, we got a lot of stuff. So yeah, let's just go ahead and dive right in. All right, guys, real quick here, let's get started here. Got a huge order from Handling Motorsports. We got our cable, we got our pilot bearing, throw-out bearing. We got a brand new Pro 50 power tower shifter. What else we got? Brand new clutch cable, quadrant, and firewall adjuster from Handling Motorsports. Brand new Ram HD clutch, clutch fork, hardware. I mean, we got the whole 9 yards. What else do we got? We got something else from Handling. Okay, I don't see it. Okay, all right, moving on. So huge shout out to Handling. We can get this thing put back together. From LMR to fix door panels. And I'll talk about this later, guys, but I did black grills and the black matte pocket deletes. We're gonna add a little bit of color, and we're gonna restore, you're not gonna believe these door panels when we're done, but we're gonna restore them and add a little bit of black to the mix, including, I can't get those out. Anyway, we'll get those out later. Huge order from LMR, all kinds of goodies. Get LMR back on the road, but the biggest one, well, it's not quite the biggest one, is the mass back carpet. Some people have Christmas in December. We have it pretty much year round. Yes. There it is, boys. Brand new mass back carpet from LMR. Matching floor mats there. We've got the replacement seats, replacement console parts. I think we're going to have to build another building out here. Yeah, or get rid of some of these. Yeah. Which we will be keep an update, boys. We're going to be doing some Reef Blue stuff here very, very shortly. But yeah, it's been a good week for parts. Yes, boys. We're gonna have a nice, fresh, non-smelly interior for Project Two-Tone, and you guys already know we gotta have the nice, fresh mats. And we're gonna do some resto on some door panels today. The only thing that sucks is it's like 22 degrees, so I don't know how it's gonna work getting this carpet to. Typically, when you get new carpet, you want to lay it out in the sun for like the afternoon, just let it kind of get soft and pliable, and then it'll kind of go into the mold that it came out of. Unfortunately, we don't have that opportunity right now, but we'll be all right. We'll figure it out. All right, guys, so real quick, now I've done this on the channel before. You can go back and check out the video, but your door panels, if they and they look a lot worse, especially when you take them out of the car, you can make these look basically brand new again. And these are my my two favorite tools. But I've got the new mat pockets, new armrests, and new speaker grills. So we're going to do a quick restoration of these door panels, and you are not going to believe the difference. All this in-ground dirt and all that, and get all this junk out of here and make these bad boys look new. So let's get after it. All right, boys, just getting rolling. You can already see how freak nasty these door panels are, and the reason I use this is because it actually gets in here, and you won't believe the difference. You won't believe how dirty and in-ground into that into the vinyl the dirt goes. I mean, it gets really deep in there, but you can already start to see how much better this is looking. And use like a simple green. Don't go and get some freaking harsh cleaner, because you're going to tear up the vinyl. Use like a simple green, something like that, and I promise you they will come clean. Just give it a little bit of patience and elbow grease, and she'll look great. All right, there you go, guys. Yes, I'm not 100% happy with it. I love how this looks. I love how the black looks. It's a nice contrast. What I'm not happy with is this section right here. Just like, it just doesn't match. Which both doors are like that. I don't know if these just faded differently over the years or not. It doesn't look bad, and it cleaned up good. I still got to put some shine on it. But we've got new armrests, got the matte pocket deletes, brand new speaker grills, and the new, we got the new door cups and triangles for the mirrors. That aggravates me. I mean, it looks good. It does look good, but I don't know why that's that color. And we were all discussing earlier that all of the grays are different. If you look at the dash and the vents and the dash pad and on and on and on. But anyway, even the sill plates, if you look at the sill plates, same deal. But anyway, I am going to get this other door panel on, and over here I've got the carpet laid out. And I'm not sure how this is going to work. And I can't put it in until we get the windshield guy here for the new windshield. But in the meantime, I guess I'm just going to get this other door panel on. Other side is in. Oh, crap. Almost fell. Sorry. Yeah. Looks pretty good. I'm very, very happy with it. And again, guys, it's not brand new, but it's also 30 years old and it looks this good. So, I mean, I've got maybe 2 hours in these. Just a little elbow grease, and then of course the matte pocket deletes, the grills, and the armrests, all from LMR, and maybe 200 bucks for all of it. Oh, I did do the door cups and the triangles too, so roughly 200 bucks, and your door panels go from looking completely shot like these to looking almost brand new. And I like the black. I really do like the black, because you figure the dash has got black in it, the steering wheel's black, the grill's stuck, the valve, you know, you got quite a bit of black up there, so a little black on the door panel changes it up a little bit. This car's got a lot of gray, so yeah, I'm happy. Whew. All right, so we don't have the windshield yet, so I can't put the carpet in. The carpet has not sunned itself regardless. So we're going to go ahead and put the trans and everything in. Huge shout out again to Handling Motorsports. Got all the clutch cable, firewall adjuster, shifter, brand new Ram clutch. Check this dude out here. Brand new Ram clutch going in. So yes, guys, it's a mess. It's a mess. But we got a lot of, oh yes, and of course, the Pro 50 Power Tower Shifter. That's how we roll. So that is what is up, guys. Gonna go ahead and put that in, and hopefully, let's see, hopefully we get the carpet outside. You got the seats, and whoever is the winner, guys, you're getting the original seats out of my 92. They're in pristine condition. I hate to give them up, but you know, hold on, let me get the plastic off of here. I hate to give them up, but I don't have any other ones that are in good shape, so yeah, they're beautiful. And my other one's even better. But let's see, I'm trying to think. Yeah, I've got the rest of my console is going in it, my armrest, which is around here somewhere. And I've got to get this console cleaned up. And yeah, we got to get this front bumper cover off. Yes, guys, we're replacing the front bumper cover because, as you can see, that's crappy. And then wheels and tires, paint, and should be done. All right, boy, that is pretty much going to wrap this one up. Lots going on with freaking everything. Like everything. So very, very, very excited about progress on two-tone. We're going to be doing reef blue cars right there. Yeah, putting the engine and drivetrain in that car. That one will get rolling here pretty quick. Lee's car, the truck, on and on and on. So Promise you, we got all kinds of stuff coming. So in the meantime, if you enjoy this video, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We will catch you on the next one.